Hi, and welcome to the third installment of this great series about making a Next.js and Strapi application in less than 1 day using our beautiful template. In this video, we would like to connect the Strapi with the front end. I already did some visual changes to the application, so it will look a little bit different than in the second video, but the base is the same. First, let's run the application. Now, if we open the studio, we can see that in the content type builder, we have all the types. So let's create a new type called company. I would like to add media, so we will select media, single media, and I will call it image. In advanced settings, I would like to set it as a required field, and I will select only images, so no other files can be uploaded. I will click finish and save. In the content manager, we can see that we have a new collection type called company. I will add all the companies I would like to have in the app. We need to enable the role and the permissions. So we will go, I will move my camera again. We will go to user permissions plugin. We will select roles, we will select public, and we will find the company. We will need to set it to find, and we will save it. So now we are back in the code. We will need to import the Strapi, and now we can find all the companies. We will call fetch all, and now we will add the companies like so. In order to run correctly, we will need to go to the Strapi, and right here we will need to add this collection. So we will select the company and we will add companies like so. Now let's connect it to our component. So my marquee component will take these companies and it will rotate through them. We will import the API response collection. Then we will import another type called data from repo Strapi right here. Now we will create a props object for this credibility component. And we will select the API company, like so. I already did this step in the company marquee right here. So as we can see, this is the same. And from that point, I will just loop over all the companies right here so they can rotate. I temporarily added the localhost 1337 so I can show it as an example, but you will need to change it for a URL that you are actually using. We will also add this to the top page component. And if I scroll down, you can see that nothing is happening here. Why? Well, because we will need still to populate the images. So if we go back and we go to the main page section, right here we can add an object that will take a populate key, and there I can add image true, and like this I will pull all the images, all the data from the images as well. It just works fine. So all the images are connected from the Strapi right here from this collection type. In the next video, we will look at how we can import metadata so we actually make a website that is SEO friendly and we can edit it from the Strapi and we don't need to do extra steps. So see you in the next video. Bye.